All right, so I met up with Jeremy, right? Jeremy Hunt.
Yep. Jeremy.
Tell me a little bit about this.
It's a 1994 Yamaha G8 36 volt. It's got the lower control arms in the front. Just solid axle in the back, which are narrowed 2 inches total.
So took an inch off of both sides?
Inch off of both sides. And it's got a lot of body roll right now in it. I'm going to get that figured out with maybe some bags all the way around. And right now it's just on air shocks. But yeah, man, that's about it. I got it from some in-laws and put my little twist on it.
That's cool, man. This is too cool.